Project idea, gridded portrait drawing. Step 1, draw a grid on your paper. You will need a ruler that is longer than your paper. Make a mark along one side of the paper every inch. Then make a mark every inch on the opposite side of the paper. Then make a mark every inch on the sides of the paper. Hold the ruler tightly and draw a line that connects the marks from one side to the other. Make sure that the ruler is lined up with the correct marks and take your time. It will probably take a while. This video is sped up a lot. Notice that the lines have made a grid of squares the same size. Another easier way to make a grid is to line up a ruler with one side of the paper. Draw a line along the ruler, then move the ruler to the line. Draw another line and keep moving the ruler over. Keep doing this until you reach the end of the paper. Then turn the paper and make lines going the other way. Along the top of your grid, mark the squares with letters. Skip the first and last square. Along the side, mark the squares with numbers. Again, skip the first and last square. Like this. Find the grids in the Week 9 folder. Do a long press on the image and save it. Add to Photos. Check your photos to make sure it's there. There it is. Open Autodesk Sketchbook and click the plus sign. Click New from Image. Click Import from Camera. Take a selfie. Click this button to add an image. Add the grid that you saved from the Week 9 folder. Stretch out the grid to make it fit over your picture. My paper and grid only goes to P and 10, so I'm marking out the rest of the squares. Now set up your iPad somewhere where you can see it and put your paper in front of you. Look at square A1 on your iPad. Try to draw any shapes you see in square A1 on your paper. In my picture, my head doesn't really start until square G1. I find that it's best to draw an outline of where the shapes are first. Just take it square by square. You may want to jump ahead, but that makes it easier to make mistakes. I accidentally put my mouth in the wrong place. If something looks wrong, check the grid. Make sure that it is in the right square. Take your time. This drawing took me well over an hour to do, and I've done several drawings like this. This video was sped up 40 times. Next, try to erase all the grid lines that are in your face. Be careful. Keep your face, just erase the grid. Now look back at your iPad. Try to notice where the values are in each square. Use your pencil to shade in the values. Think of it like doing a shading coloring page. Just like before, go square by square. Don't think of it as being a big picture of a face. Just focus on each square. Look at the light and dark values of each square. The face will show up if you just copy the shapes and values in each square. Remember, if something looks wrong, just check the squares. Try it out.